people they write random things.
So we would really like
Star
to...
Kid of the
Yes.
month? I haven't accomplished anything so far.
We have seen your friendship with Sarah on Karan Johar's chat show. Personally also, do you both have that equation? Yeah.
I mean, हम acting नहीं कर रहे थे.
Yeah. That's
Couch
how
पे.
things are.
Yeah, what did you think that we gave a
Oh
performance?
no, I'm not saying that, but have you made one best friend, I would say, in the industry for that matter? Because it's not that easy to maintain friendship in industry for that matter. You know, sometimes things
Really?
go off the chart also, yeah.
Who told you?
I've read.
I've
so many
read, but
stories
that
about it.
people they write random things.
And we have seen also for that matter. We have seen pros and all for that matter. So it's
You've
not like,
seen?
you know, yeah, of course.
Who-
We have
who
seen
brought?
videos of it.
Really?
Of course.
Who?
Like, should I give you off-camera gossip about it, or should I really show you
I
the
don't
videos?
think I'm interested. I was just trying to buy time because I don't know what to say. Yeah, she is very close to me. It is what you saw. I think there was no pretense in our equation in the way that we were. We are like that. We pull each other's legs. We're able to be upfront and candid with each other. I mean, of course, there are people in my life that are closer to me than her, and there are people in her life that are closer to her than me. But I think there's a lot of respect that we have for each other, and we enjoy each other's company.
And lastly, we are doing a special episode on you, which is the Star Kid of the month, and you are the face for the same. So we would really like to...
Star Kid of the month?
So it's going to be completely on your work journey for that matter, and it's not going to be labeled as, you know, what exactly your journey has been, being, you know, daughter of renowned personalities. But we really want to know, how does it feel, you know, being there, out there, and, you know, actually accomplishing your journey like that as an actress?
I haven't accomplished anything so far.
As far as, you know, your acting is concerned, be it Gunjan for that matter.
I still haven't accomplished anything.
Of course, you know, it's a long way to go, but whatever you have done so far, what do you have to say about your achievements so far?
That I haven't achieved anything.
Really, you feel so?
Yeah.
Why do you feel so? What?
There's so much more to do. My first film I got relatively easily. I've been working my ass off trying to prove to myself that I deserve these opportunities, but I know I'm capable of so much more, and like I'll keep pushing myself, and there's so many more people to win over. So much more I know I'm capable of doing that I will do. So I know I haven't achieved much at all other than like eating tons of ice cream.
And before I let you go, what's that one message for your fans out there when they have to see your work, be it Good Luck Jerry, be it Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, or be it Bawal for that matter?
Just watch it with an open mind and an open heart. I think that's all I ask of them.